mamit natin yung kapwa nating Pinoy. Tama po ba? At kapwa Pinoy, bilang Pinoy, hindi mawawala karaoke. Tama ba? Ikaw ba mahilig kang kumanta?
Mahilig ako! Pero yung kanta, yung sa akin!
Yes! Gusto mo ba ng sound ko?
Sana wala ba? Ay! May TikTok to! May TikTok! Di ba? Wala! Hindi ka maganda! Hindi ka maganda!
Hindi nakapaganda.
May TikTok to!
Kaya naman, partner, for the first time, Inonishi Imabari Ehime, matutunghayan natin ang tagisan ng mga kababayan natin na may talento sa pagkanta.
Yun! Mga kapwa natin Pinoy na pumasa mula sa ating kumpanya, simulan na natin ang ating search for Singing Idol 2025.
Bago natin kilalanin ang ating mga contestants, kilalanin muna natin ang mga judges, which is judge number 1, nagtatrabaho sa bilang marketing and PR specialist, taga Valenzuela City sa Pilipinas. Ito ay si Miss Jasmine Ragani.
Sabon!
Yeah.
Ang ating judges number 2, kilalanin na naman natin, galing tong Davao City at nasa Shishkokakin at nagtatrabaho sa factory galing sa Shishkoka. Kilalanin natin si Miss Mary Jane Rapo.
Kilalanin naman natin ang judge number 3. Ito ay nagtatrabaho bilang sensei in World Star, taga Santa Ana, Pampanga. Ito ay si Miss Lademan Gemaline.
Judge number 4, tagal na to dito. Wala na, oo. Siguro, di pa ako pinapanganak, nandito na to. Oo, kilala ng lahat. Pinakamaganda na judges number 4, galing sa San Diego Street. Oh, Sensei. No, kumiyay. Si Sensei Christy Ochi, please.
Sample daw now. Okay, bago din ulit natin kilalanin ang ating mga contestants, proceed muna tayo sa judging criteria. Voice quality 50%, diction 15%, timing 20%, interpretation or stage presence 15%, total of 100%. Ayan, kilalanin na natin ang first contestant. Sino ba yan? Partner. Habang busy siya, kakantahan ko muna kayo. Hindi, joke lang. Huwag na baka mag-alisan kayo. Okay, now, kilalanin natin ang contestant number 1. Ready na ba?
Ready na.
Ready now. Ready nang sumabak.
From Seiyatsu, panurin natin ito. PTR.
Okay.
Hello minasan, ako nga pala po si Pung, 29 years of age, from Mindanao, Maramag, Bukidnon, Philippines. At kasalukuyan po ako nagtatrabaho ngayon dito sa Japan bilang isang welder. At ako po ang pambato ng Saitsu.
Once again, papalakpakan muna natin ang contestant number 1 ng Saitsu, Fung!
Lolo.
Yes man, magandang tanghali sa lahat. Basta kayo dyan mga kabayan. Para sa inyo to. Yes man. magaliwanagan? Tuluyan bang naglaho na? Tuluyan bang naglaho na? Araw-araw iniisip ang mga nakaraang problema dati at ngayon wala na bang hangganan? O liwanag, o liwanag, lumapit ka sa akin. O liwanag, lumapit ka sa akin. Gabi-gabi nag-iisa, walang kasama. Isipan ay nalilito, nabubuwang na para bang nilamon na para bang nilamonan. Kadiliman, kapaluan, wala na bang katapusan? Tumingin ang isip ko, hindi mo ba mahuhugasan? O liwanag, kumapit ka sa akin. O liwanag, kumapit ka sa akin. Rapapapapa, rapapapapa, kaysa lang mabuhay kasama ng liwanag, padayon lang sa paglakbay, problema ibaon sa hukay. Rapapapapa, rapapapapa,
Dumako naman tayo sa ating contestant number 2, Roll VTR.
Hi, ako si Neil Puno, 32 years old, Nangyahara. Dati, wala talaga akong planong sumali dito. Sali lang sa akin si Jan Agbay at saka si Ranil Alikyuho. Yang dalawang yan, yung nagsali sa akin dito, wala naman akong kaalam-alam dito, kaya tinuloy ko na lang. Salamat.
Once again, palakpakan na natin ang ating pangalawang contestant ng Singing Idol ko. Singing Idol contestant number 2, Neil Puno!
Elson.
Akala ko pamura yan. Kaya nga po. Gawin na. Ano, ikis na. Akala ko pamura.
Naglag pa, may pabitin pa. Ayan. Okay, go, Kuya.
It's a calm surrender in the last of all day. At the trees in the rolling wind, can be turned away, and it's a dead moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless while just to be with you. Tonight is where we are. It's enough to make peace and bubbles that we got this far. And then you feel the love tonight, how it's led to rest. It's enough to make peace and all the bones believe the very best. There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope move us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors when the heart of this earth was buzzing, beating times with yours. And then you feel the love tonight. It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wonderland that we got this far. And then you feel the love tonight, how it's led to rest. It's enough for this wide-eyed wonderland. Believe the very best. It's enough to make peace and all the bonds. Believe the very best.
Thank you, contestant number 2. Ngayon naman, i-ready na ang VTR ni contestant number 3. Okay, habang naayos pa po nila, review lang po tayo sa criteria for judging. Voice quality 50%, diction 15%, timing 20%, stage presence 15%, total of 100%. Yes! Ready na ba ang ating contestant number 3? Makakulang sa palakpak, palakpakan muli natin ang contestant number 3. Okay, ayan. Ayan, play na po natin ang VTR.
Once again, papalakpakan natin ang VTR.
Pagkanta. Habang nagpipinta ako sa araw-araw, nararamdam ko si Randy isang pinto dito sa ibaba rito pa. Hindi ko nakakalimutan ang matagal ko ng pangarap, ang pagkanta. Habang nagpipinta ako sa araw-araw, nararamdaman ko ang himig ng buhay dito sa ating paligid. Kaya nang nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makasala sa isang patintalak sa pagkanta, ay hindi ko na pinalampas.
Magandang araw po.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back when we were before. Since nothing ever changes, we're back to being strangers, wondering where you'll stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good that never lasts for long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get through it just once. I gave my all, but I'm saying fail may have been too much. The slow goes when I'm getting anywhere. Since we're always flowing, whatever we got going, it seems that times we all we have and haven't got a place. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good that never last for long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can we keep ourselves in hand and be to one another? We're too good without each other. Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. We could get through it just once.